This is a video today showing you guys how to change the regulator for a BMW 2000. The car is 2006 325i, but the video is for BMW e90, e91. It's all the same process. So we're gonna start by removing the door panel. This is a great video for whoever wants to remove the door panel as well, because in order to get to the regulator we have to remove the door panel. So the first step is to remove the door panel. We have to take off this molding here, the wooden piece, and the plastic piece, this molding here, both of them. There are screws behind it. So just with the flat screwdriver or a plastic piece, or with your fingers or hand, you can just apply it, get a grip of it, and then it'll be removed real fast and quick. And be easy with it so you don't break anything. This is the first piece came off, and now we take off this piece. You just find a hole from inside. It's a lot easier if you come here from inside. You just put the screwdriver here and then just apply some force. It'll be easy to take off. Be real careful so you don't break any of the old plastic. So this is one screw here. Let's get the light. One screw here, and there is another screw here, and there is screw on top. I'm guessing it's a T20.
Yep, it's a T20. Make sure you don't lose the screws. Just put them somewhere when you take them off. Now all the screws are off.
This third step is take off the whole door panel with the flat screwdriver or with the plastic piece. It's a lot better with the plastic piece, so you have to be, if this is your first time, so you don't break anything. But for anyone who can open it, can know where's the location of the clippers, and you just push them. See, did you hear it? It came off, and then with your hand just keep on pulling all the sides. Now it's off. Just take off this piece, the whole thing. This is, if your car has this, it's just real easy to come off. It goes like this and it clips on. You just apply pressure from any side where you can get a grip, and then you just pull it, it comes off. It's for the tint. And the second one is the same thing. So make sure you're losing the light and the door clip. Let's get the light first. It's much easier. It just comes off. You just pull it, comes off. Let's see the door. There's a white piece here. I'm guessing it's I've never opened this before, so I gotta figure out comes off. I see it comes off from here. So come here, be really careful about this part. Just pull it and it comes off right off like this. Just clips on here and then like sits like this and it comes off like that. So we're off with the door panel. It's out. Just put it somewhere safe or inside the car so you miss it.
Now we gotta take off these foam. Very careful pulling it, so you put it back the same place where you took it off. And you can heat this and it goes back on. Or you can use glue to put it back on.
Okay. So first step, what I like to do personally is take off the motor clipper out. So the window is, I'm guessing it's not moving, it's down. It could be the motor is bad or the regulator, but I'm guessing it's the regulator. If you see this, that means the regulator is bad. Okay, let's start with taking off the screw here. It's 10 millimeter, one here, and one down here. So I'm gonna stop the video right now, and then we'll come back after opening the 3 screws. So take off the 3 screws like we said. And this part is the most important part because you cannot pull this out, the regulator. You have to pull the window up a little bit. You see, let's bring the light. Okay, this green clip, this right here, let me point at it. This one here, we have to push it in order to release the window. I can't see, it's right here. The screwdriver is on it. So if I'm just gonna apply just a little bit pressure, not too much. Just be careful so you don't break the window. It's out. Put the screwdriver in place of it so I can just pull the window up. So it just released the window. See? The window now came out by itself. It's out. Now we take this piece out. It's very easy and simple. Just make sure somebody helps you hold the window. It doesn't fall on you. You gotta figure out how to take this one out. This is the regulator. We're gonna take off this motor, T20s, 3 screws, and install it on the new regulator, which you can get this one from eBay, Parts Authority, Junkyard, but we recommend buying new, so it'll last you longer. So this is the motor. The motor is good, nothing wrong with it. All we have to do is place it on the new regulator.
There's no rocket science on this, you just make sure the 3 places, 3 holes for screws are lined up. Then you tie it, and just slide it up. Make sure you're not wires. All you have to do is get the holes in the right place. Just tight. Screws a little bit so you can put back the window on.
Now all we have to do is slide the window down, real careful and smooth. Okay, so you see this hole here? That hole, just let's put the focus on it. Okay, this hole, let me get a screwdriver so I can point on it easier. that hole right there. We have to get it centered with the white piece when you push the window down. So we're pushing the window down. I can't see because the camera is on the way. So bring it here. Hold it. So all we have to do is just apply some force on it. It's much easier if we put the power back on and then put the window a little bit up so we can push it with our hands, because there's no space to put my hand here or stick it. So it's better to put the power back on, hook up the motor, and then roll up the window a little bit up so we can push it. I'm gonna stop the video here and I'm gonna roll the window up and I'll record back. So we put the window up. Now you can see I have axes and I can just push it in. All you have to make sure, where's the broken piece? This right here, this one, this clip has to go in the hole in the glass. Now all we have to do with back is tie up the screws. So we get that door panel and we hook up a light first. I guess you don't need to see this part. You can just... Oh, come on. Oh, we took it off, put it back on. I can't see, there's no light. Okay, that's in. Now we get this piece. So this piece, like we said, we put the hole in the hinge and then pull it until it sits here. See? So just placing back the panel and make sure you line it up and then just push it. Make sure you line up the clips with the holes inside the door. Make sure you line up the clips with the holes and then just push them until you hear all of them clip. So it wouldn't be moving. Now what we have to do is put back the screws. Like we took them off. Where is the screwdriver? Tint, like we took it off. It just clips on. You hear a clip. That's working fine. Put back the clips. This is the molding. The clip, this one sits first. Just make sure you line it up. Has to be lined up like this. Make sure you line up these inside the holes. Just look at them before you push it and then just apply pressure. Now we try the window. Working fine.
Is it calm down?
And make sure you clean it. We don't use any gloves because this car is still dirty. We just bought this car, so we're gonna detail it. And thanks for watching.